A potential ban on flavored tobacco products is heading to the full city council, and the seeds have been planted for more tree cover across the city. Here's what happened this week on The Gavel, your weekly Denver City Council wrap-up. Denver could change the sale of certain tobacco products within the city. On Wednesday, the Safety Committee sent to the full council a plan that would ban flavored tobacco products, including vapes and some flavored cigars. The bill sponsors presented new data about tobacco use, vape health effects, and the proximity of how close stores that sell these products are to schools. Studies from the CDC and the Surgeon General found that tobacco control measures help to reduce health issues. The committee heard comments from the public both for and against the plan, with some worried about the economic impacts to stores.
A flavor ban has multiple negative impacts. First, a flavor ban bankrupts 50 vape stores, 50 hookah stores, and this doesn't include the liquor stores that are now more reliant on these products due to beer and wine going to grocery. It destroys lives, lays off hundreds of employees. Second, a flavor ban will reduce sales in 587 nicotine-licensed retail establishments.
If passed by council, the Department of Public Health and Environment would enforce the ordinance. Denver is working on a plan to plant more trees in the city. On Wednesday, members of the Business Committee heard a plan from various departments on their urban forest strategic plan. There is less tree cover in lower-income communities throughout Denver. These departments will focus efforts on disadvantaged communities, as well as heat risk zones and demand from residents, among other priorities. Parks and Recreation will focus on public safety, maintenance, and public outreach. The Office of Climate Action is working on a community tree planting initiative to get trees on private property in low canopy, high heat areas. The Department of Transportation is focusing on green infrastructure. More trees and native vegetation help with cooling temperatures and keeps moisture in the soil.
Trees can significantly reduce energy costs, really associated with cooling in the summer. I also think it's interesting to point out the aggression and violence metric, the 25% reduction. When we started the strategic plan outreach, we asked what people in Denver thought about trees. The number one response was they're beautiful. And the number 4 response, and that had over 90% response rate. The number 4 response was they make me feel better.
You can find links to City Council meetings, schedules, agendas, events, and news at denvergov.org/citycouncil. Denver City Council meets every Monday at 3:30 at the City and County Building Council Chambers, or tune in live on Denver 8 or Zoom. Be sure to follow us on X, Facebook, and YouTube for Denver news, events, and information.